I've got all the cables hooked up. Last thing to do is attach the hook. Nice. Sweet. So I've got this exhaust part stuck together here. Ideally I would have liked to build it out of a bigger pipe, but yeah, whatever. I can always do this again in the future, but now I'm gonna remove it of the vehicle and fully weld it, and then I can build that part which goes to the muffler itself. So got this fully welded up, also cleaned it with wire wheel, and yeah, now I can put some heat resistant paint on it. Now I'm just gonna weld this bracket and here for this hanger, and I also fabricated that hanger which will bolt to the frame of the machine here. So I'm gonna weld that, and then I can also paint all those pieces, and we can get this muffler done and mounted. Can't really see too much from there because I don't have my proper seat in here, so I'm sitting much slower than I should be. So, but yeah, I'm gonna move that one again, and then I can get this turned around in this very confined space. So now I can start working on this area here. So I'm gonna start with a cardboard template. So got the main part of this template made, but now I need to figure out about this area behind the throttle pedal here to be able to make this all sort of airtight, because I have no good place where to attach my covers right now, so it's very hard for me to explain. So I'm gonna just start fabricating this piece for here. I got this piece here fabricated. I'm gonna fabricate the whole piece out of several smaller pieces. Just got this piece back there fabricated. It's stacked together right now. Later on I'm gonna fully weld this, but yeah, it's quite an intricate piece, I must say. And it all is just to make it kind of airtight. Basically, so that the fumes from the engine bay wouldn't come to the cabin. Next I can fully weld this, and then I can start fabricating the piece that goes around the steering stuff. I got this tricky little piece fabricated, and now I'm in the process of fully welding the bigger piece that I had done first. If you already forgot, this will live here, and this upper piece here with the hole in it is gonna go here and behind this to make it somewhat fume tight. I didn't actually take any footage of building this because you have seen me done this kind of job plenty of times, and to be quite frank, I do not know what you like to see, but you can tell me in the comment section. So let's do that. But I'm gonna weld this up and go from there. So basically, I don't know, can you see? It will also mount into this floor here, and I'm gonna put one screw somewhere here and a couple to the firewall, and there will be gasket all around this pieces. Next operation will be this one there. Got this filler piece there made as well. This is held in with tape right now, because once again I'm gonna drill those mounting holes when I've got my weather strips or gaskets or seals or whatever you wanna call those. And now I got this area here to deal with. This is the beginnings of this I don't know what you call it. Center. No, it's not center console. Basically, this is the gear stick. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna grind down the weld. So I've been hard at work here. I have fabricated this piece here. It will continue from here on. So I have fabricated that one also. Today I fabricated that plate here, and I'm gonna have this come from here to here, and there will be, I'm gonna cut this open so the hot air from underneath the floor can escape through this hole. And in the future I might put a small ventilator inside here as well. Not sure it's absolutely necessary, but try to think ahead. I got this far with this piece. Still need some fine tuning, especially the top part here, and I need to cut this before I can start thinking of welding this into that panel. But yeah. So I got this piece all welded up, grinded down those corners, welded this one up, and I have attached it in here temporarily with self-tapping screws. Later on, this part I'm gonna fix here using rivets, I think, because this one only needs to be removed if I need to fix something on this joint here. And drilling out the rivets is not a big deal. Anyhow, this cover next. So I've got this template ready. I can start fabricating this piece out of sheet metal. So got this thing bent out of metal. Now what's left to do is fill in those caps in the corners. And just like that, got this piece ready as well. So let's get those pieces primered. So it's the next day for me. The primer has dried, and now I can paint all those parts black. So I can start putting those floor plates and all those pieces in. I already put this I don't know what weather strip or whatever. So I mounted also this one. All this is in place. Also this one with the caskets or weather strips or whatever you call those, and also that piece. This is just a filler piece, basically. Now I can install the pieces for there, behind the pedal there, and this center piece here. And I have got those pieces installed as well. It's all dusty from me driving and testing this thing. Don't mind that.